and welcome back to my channel. My setup is a little different today, and I'm so sorry if you can hear fans in my room, but it is hot, so I need the fans. In one of my last videos, I asked you guys to comment what videos you wanted to see, and quite a few of you said makeup tutorials, whether it be like a makeup tutorial for a beginner or a summer tutorial. So that's what I thought I would do today. This is very much a summer look, very glowy and fun and bright and pretty. Get a fun little wing. And I'm also going to show you guys some tips and tricks I use to not only keep my makeup on in the summer, but ways to make makeup easier. So if you're starting out, I'm going to show you guys how to get these cool wings without being an expert, some tips and tricks that have helped me. So if you're interested in how to get this look, make sure to stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed and you want to hit the subscribe button, it would genuinely mean the world to me and I would appreciate it so much. But without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to get this look. So let's go. So starting off, we're going to use a primer so our makeup stays on all day. I'm using the Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer because this is going to give you a really nice glow for the summer and it's going to make your foundation stay on so much longer. Now for foundation, I have two favorites, the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation and the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Foundation. I just mix these together and apply them in dots on my face, and then I just use a brush to blend this into my skin completely. These are full coverage foundations, which is great because I have a lot of redness that I need to cover, so that's what I'm doing here. Moving on to bronzer, I'm using this Purr palette that has bronzer, blush, and highlighter in it, and I'm using the bronzer from that palette. I'm also going to use the blush from that palette, but I'm just applying this to the contours of my face, so the contours of my cheeks, and then my forehead as well. Going in with the blush, I'm just going a little higher than the bronzer, and I'm applying this very, very lightly. Moving on to brows, I'm taking the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks and using the darkest shade in that palette to fill in my natural eyebrow shape. And then once my eyebrows are looking on fleek, I'm going to move on to highlighter. This is my favorite Ofra highlighter in the shade Midnight Cowboy. I'm going to apply this to the top of my cheekbones, above my cupid's bow, and a little bit on the tip of my nose. And then I'm setting everything with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and I'm just blotting this with the pad that came with it, which totally broke while I was filming this video, and I was a little sad about it, to be honest. But I'm just blending that in with a brush, and then I'm petting my cat, because that's the important thing while you're putting on your makeup. Moving on to eyes, I'm taking the color Pearl from the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette and putting that in my tear duct area. And then I'm using my Tartelette in Bloom palette and taking the color Funny Girl and putting that all over my lid as a base color and just packing it right on there. And then I'm taking the color Rebel and putting that right in my crease. I will be blending this out more in a bit, but I did want it pretty much as a defined crease, so I'm putting that right in there. And then after that is done, I'm going to take the color Leader, which is a slightly dark brown color, and that's going to go on the outer V of my eye, also in the crease. And then I am putting some on my lash line. I'm taking the Rebel color and just adding that right to the lash line. So moving on to eyeliner, my tip and trick for today is going to be that you should use gel liner because it tends to stay on longest, but if you apply it with a felt tip pen, it's going to stay on all day and it's going to make it easier to apply. So this is great for beginners if you're not super used to it. Then apply your mascara of choice. I'm using one from Tarte. I'm just using the rapid blink method to apply my mascara, and then moving on to lips. I'm mixing All of Me by the brand Manna with the color Manhattan by Ofra, and it gives me a really nice pink color that I really like for the summer, so I'm just applying both of those for the perfect pink lip. And then since it's summer and your girl has oily skin, a setting spray is super important, so I'm finishing off with this setting spray right here, and that's it. That's the makeup look. Alright guys, so that is how to get this look right here. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more makeup tutorials. I hope your summer is off to a great start. Comment of the day, when do you guys get out of school? Let me know in the comments down below if you're still in school. I'm so sorry if you are. But I'm taking a summer class, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!